Good morning to everyone. Myself, Dr. T. Arun Kumar, Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today, our students going to present the business model Canva of Reddit. The team members Gopika, Darshana, Janet, Asikumar. Students, can you kindly start the session?
Run by volunteers and internet points become a billion-dollar powerhouse. Let's break down the business model canvas of Reddit. Reddit was founded by Steve Huffman and Alexis Ohanian in 2005. Reddit is an online community where users submit, vote, and comment on content, news, and discussions. Nicknamed the front page of the internet, Reddit is one of the top 10 sites in the United States, with hundreds of millions of users each month on desktop, mobile web, and their official Android app.
So next is about the customer segments. So Reddit serves three distinct groups. Genuinely daily users seeking AK communities, advertisers looking for high intent audiences, and AI developers who need human conversation to train their models.
Now comes the value propositions. For users, is the front page of the internet and a place for a real human interpretations. For advertisers, the contextual relevance reaching people exactly when they are talking about a specific hobby. For AI partners, it's a gold mine for the real-time data.
So next is about the channels of the Reddit company. So they reach these segments primarily through their mobile app, but also through Google search, where Reddit ranks for nearly 600 million keywords, making it the world's largest cross-sourced search engine.
Now comes the customer relationships. The relationships are the community led by while the Reddit provides the infrastructure. The atmosphere is cultured by the volunteer moderators. It is a self-growing ecosystem built on a trust and karma points.
So next is about the revenue streams. So the money comes from three places: targeted advertising, that is like their biggest slice, multi-million dollar data licensing deals with companies like Google and OpenAI, and Reddit premium subscription.
Now comes the key activities of Reddit. To
Janet?
keep the engine running, Reddit focus on platform R&D, specifically improving the AI research, alongside supporting their massive moderate network and scaling their global ad business.
I'll be talking about key resources. Their moat is the network effect. You can't easily replicate 1 lakh active subreddits. Add to that billions of proprietary human signals, upvotes, and comments, and you have a resource no one else can buy. Now let's move on to key partners. Critical partners include Google and OpenAI for data revenue, third party ad measurement, tools for transparency, and most importantly, the volunteer moderators who keep the platform civil for free.
Now let's break down the cost structure of Reddit. So where does the money go? High-scale server infrastructure, massive investments in AI research, and stock-based compensations to attract top engineering talent in a competitive markets. So Reddit has evolved from a simple forum to a vital pillar of the AI era.
So, how
That
Reddit
is
is
the Reddit
organized?
business model
Reddit
canvas.
is divided into small
Thanks for watching.
communities called subreddits. Each subreddit is based on
Thank
one
you,
topic.
students, for your
For
kind
example,
information
there
regarding
are
the company.
communities for science,
Thank you for
programming,
everyone.
students, health, and even country-wise discussions like India. So, voting system in Reddits. Reddit uses a voting system instead of likes. If people like a post, they upvote it.
If they don't like it, they don't vote it. Posts with more upvotes appear at the top, so useful content becomes more visible. Anonymity on Reddit, people usually use fake names instead of real names. This gives them freedom to speak honestly and ask questions without fear of judgment.